Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to restore the lost or deleted notes in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So first of all, open notes and here you can see the option recently deleted. Click on it and here you can select the file you want to restore. After clicking it, you can see the option move. Click on it and select a folder where you want to restore this file. Select any option, quick notes, and here it will be restored. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.